Most people panic when they need money fast and their credit score isn't great. That's exactly why no credit check cash advance apps exploded in popularity. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps are genuinely helpful for short-term emergencies, while others quietly charge fees that can make your situation worse. In this video, you'll learn the best cash advance apps with no credit check in 2026, how they actually work, the hidden costs to watch for, and which apps are better depending on your situation. Let's start with one of the most popular options, Earnin. Earnin allows users to access part of their paycheck early based on hours already worked. Many people like it because there's no traditional credit check involved. Alex used it after an unexpected medical bill hit right before payday and avoided an overdraft fee. Another major app is Dave. Dave became popular because it combines small cash advances with budgeting tools and spending alerts. For beginners, the interface feels simple and easy to understand. But here's the problem. Many users focus only on the advance amount and ignore transfer fees. This is where most people fail. Some apps offer free standard delivery but charge extra for instant transfers. Those small fees can add up surprisingly fast. Now here's where it gets interesting. Apps like Brigit and MoneyLion often include extra financial tools beyond cash advances. Some offer credit monitoring, budgeting systems, or spending analysis. That can be useful for people trying to improve financial habits long-term. Another strong option in 2026 is Empower. Many users like Empower because it provides automatic budgeting features alongside advances. Meanwhile, apps like Clio focus heavily on conversational money management and financial tracking. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake that traps users in a borrowing cycle. Before that, here's something important. Most no credit check apps still review your income activity and bank history. Even without a hard credit inquiry, approval often depends on consistent deposits and account behavior. Now, for the biggest warning. Cash advance apps should solve temporary problems, not become permanent habits. John started using advances for basic, everyday spending, instead of emergencies. Eventually, most of his paycheck kept disappearing into repayments before he could fully recover financially. This is where responsible usage matters most. If you constantly borrow before every payday, the cycle becomes difficult to break. Now for the smartest strategy. Compare apps based on transfer fees, repayment flexibility, borrowing limits, and budgeting features instead of only choosing the app offering the biggest advance. So which cash advance apps are best in 2026? For paycheck access, Earnin remains strong. For budgeting tools, Dave and Empower stand out. For all-around features, MoneyLion and Brigit remain popular choices. The key takeaway is simple. No credit check apps can help during emergencies, but understanding fees and repayment timing is critical. If you've used a cash advance app before, comment below with which one worked best for you. And subscribe for more finance app reviews, money-saving tips, and side hustle guides.